Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, The House of Jane. Today I am going to do a product demonstration from items I received from an online craft website called Beebeecraft. Beebeecraft partners with small YouTubers. When I say small, I mean small. You can have 100 subscribers and they'll send you free products in exchange for online reviews. So I am going to do a follow-up of my original video, which I'll post here where I showed the products. I'm going to show you how to use their set to make wax seals. They sent me this little spoon, a little holder, 4 voltives, and a bunch of, I guess, wax beads. So what you do, before I get there, they also sent me some seals. These are nice brass seals. One is a little bouquet of flowers and the other is a dragonfly. They have nice wood handles. This also detaches if you want to take it off and put in another seal that you might have, so it's interchangeable. So this is what I ordered from them. So I'm going to show you how to use this product. I read online that you're supposed to use about 2 to 3 seals per stamp. So I'm going to do 3 wax stamps. I'm going to light the votive. Here's one of the voltives they gave me. It's smaller than a regular votive candle. Just put it down like so. And you can see right there that it's burning in the middle. We'll see how long this takes to melt. I will probably speed up the video so we don't have to spend this whole time sitting here watching it melt. But I see it melting right now. This is really a cute set. And I'm going to show you how to do 2 small seals. You don't even have to be a crafter. It can be for items that you have around the house. I'm going to seal this envelope. It has a card in it. And I'm going to seal, here's a package of stationery. And this is the paper band. I'm going to seal this band right here to make it prettier. So if you actually wanted to gift this to somebody, you could. So let's see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of paper So as you can see, it's melting quite quickly. I'm very impressed. So since this card is pink and that's red, I will demonstrate the seal first on this card right here. And I'm just going to put this there to protect the envelopes. I would hate to ruin the envelopes. And it's almost done. So for the envelopes, we will use the flowers. Let's use the flower seal stamper. It's almost done. Have a sip of my coffee. Dream of Florida, because that's my mug. Okay, I still see it melting. Let me pick the colors for this envelope while we're waiting. I think I will use this frosty blue. So let me get the 3 waxes. Okay, I think it's ready. I think it's showtime. I smell burning. So what you do is just slowly pour where you want to apply. Wow, I probably used too much. And you place the stamper right in the middle of it. I'm just going to leave it there. So for the next one, maybe I'll only use 2 waxes. And let's see how this goes. I don't want to remove it too soon because then it'll be all gooey. There we go. Came out very nice. I'm going to let it dry before I do any peeling, but I can definitely see the flowers. And you know what? I seem to have quite a bit of wax left. I'm going to do a mixture. Now, normally you would clean up the spoon with a baby wipe, but since I already have some wax remaining, and I only have just so many of these beads, I'm going to be a little frugal and use the remaining wax and add 2 blue ones. Now this is still not ready to peel, but when it is, I'm going to show you what to do. And this one we're going to use the dragonfly. It's still melting away. I'll probably speed up the camera. But again, I will leave a link to all the products that Beebeecraft sent me. I'll leave it in the description box below. They've been very easy to work with, very accommodating, and they sent me over $40 worth of product to test. So I would like to start incorporating sealing with junk journaling. But baby steps, one step at a time. I like how those colors are melting. You see the blue and the reddish purple? And I suppose I can mix it. I just have a toothpick here. I'm just gonna mix the colors. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I think this is ready to pour. Now I think if you overheat it, just going to pour out too much. So let me just go slow. Go a little bit slower this time. So I don't want it to spread too much too fast. So a little bit more. Alrighty. You just take your stamp and set it in there. And I'm just going to let it sit for a bit. It should really sit for at least 30 seconds, maybe a little bit more. And look how that last stamp, it came up clean. I mean, it doesn't even look like it was used. Look at that. I'm just really impressed with the quality of the stamp. It's really nice. Okay, I don't want to disturb it just yet. I'll lift it up in a moment. Ah, nice. Now, if I had to do it all over again, I would have made the dragonfly probably that way, but that's all right. Look how beautiful that came out. Really nice. So, from my calculations, you only really seem to need 2 of these wax melts to make a really nice stamp. If you use 3, I mean, you can use 3, obviously, but I think you have to pour it a little bit slower. So let's see if I can remove it from this paper, because obviously I don't want this to be backing on this. Let me play with it a little bit. Oh yeah. Just kind of have to finagle it a little bit. So what I would do is I would just clean this up a little bit. There. And word to the wise, if you are going to use backing paper, make sure it's either the color of your stamp or maybe white. So I have to peel that off a little bit. But overall, it looks fine. I'm happy with the results and I like the flower. And I really do like that dragonfly. So that is it. That's the fundamentals of stamping. Very easy. This is warm. This is actually very warm. So you have to be careful. Don't lift it up right away. Obviously, you have to clean. This spoon is dirty, so I'm just gonna hold it over the flame a little bit. I have a baby wipe. Oh, it wipes clean really easily. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Love it. Who knew? I've never done this before. So I thought I would wing it for the camera and I did a pretty good job. So normally I would have practiced, but I'm under some time constraints. So I am pretty happy with the results for the first time ever using a product like this. So tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. 2 easy ways to incorporate wax seals into very easy projects. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, I would love it, and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye and take care.